Introducing the Gedore Capture Lite Torque Tester, a robust and reliable tool designed to give you confidence in the accuracy of your torque tools. With its sleek design and advanced features, the Capture Lite is the perfect addition to any industrial, automotive, or production environment. Covering a wide torque range of 5 to 150 Newton meters, the Capture Lite is suitable for various applications, making it a versatile tool for your workshop. It offers 3 modes: peak, first peak, and track, allowing you to select the most appropriate mode for your specific needs. The Capture Lite boasts a robust aluminum anodized body, ensuring long tool life and durability, even in demanding environments. The OLED display, protected by a sturdy Perspex screen protector, provides clear and easy-to-read information, enhancing user experience. The tester comes with a USB port, enabling you to export data for further analysis or documentation. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Gedore Capture Lite Torque Tester. Its versatility, durability, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking precision and reliability. Invest in the Capture Lite and experience the confidence that comes with accurate torque measurements.